It took many days of judging, but we finally come to a winner.
First of all, we would like to thank everyone that submitted a goal horn and made an effort to win the contest. Our winner was
Brandon Povilitus,
receiving 282 points out of 300 possible. Coming in second was Gun Cannon 15 with 267 points, and third was John Hanna with 251 points.
We've already contacted you on Twitter, and we found out that you want your face in the Pittsburgh Penguins goal horn for next season.
And once again, thank you everyone who submitted a horn, and we hope to do this again in the future. Thank you everyone, and see you guys next time.